In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dashboards in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to create a dashboard, pick the right privacy, add a few essential widgets, and connect the boards that power your data. First, open Monday.com and head to your workspaces. Workspaces are the containers that keep your boards and dashboards organized, so choose the workspace where this dashboard should live. On the workspace header, click the plus icon. From the options that appear, select Dashboard. This tells Monday.com you want a high-level view that pulls information together from one or more boards. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately understand its purpose. Next, choose the privacy settings. You'll see options for main and private. Main makes the dashboard visible to everyone who has access to that workspace, which is great for team-wide reporting. Private limits visibility to people you specifically invite, which is ideal for sensitive work, early stage planning, or leadership-only summaries. Pick the option that fits your audience and data sensitivity, then create the dashboard. With the dashboard created, it's time to add widgets, the modular building blocks that display your data. Click Add Widget. You'll see a library of options for different visualizations and summaries. Start with a chart. Charts help you compare values, spot trends, and quickly surface the big picture. Next, add a numbers widget. This is perfect for surfacing key metrics at a glance. Think total tasks, items completed, or budget used. Then add a battery widget. The battery gives you a status-style overview of progress, making it easy to see what's on track, at risk, or behind. Before these widgets can show anything, they need data from your boards. Click Connect Boards to get started. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to find the one that holds the information you want to visualize. Select the board, confirm your choice, and click Done. This link powers your widgets with live data, so as your team updates the board, your dashboard reflects those changes automatically. At this point, you've created a dashboard, set the appropriate privacy, added a chart, a numbers readout, and a battery overview, and connected them to the right board. From here, you can fine-tune each widget's settings to display the exact columns, groups, or time ranges that matter most to your team. That's all it takes to turn raw updates into clear, actionable insights inside Monday.com.